Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Took the price, and left that bitch up. I took the ice. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, it is Friday. It's Face Chart Friday. If you don't know who I am, if you're new to my channel, my name is Nikki. Not me, whatever. However, most people call me Nikki, unless you live in Korea, then there you go. Today's look is going to be really easy. Not too crazy, not too hectic, but bright. So, enough talking. Let's get started. And I'm not really, I put BB cream on just now, but I'm not really, it's too hot for foundation, so we just gonna conceal and hide a bunch of stuff with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and some e.l.f. contour. For lipstick, I'm going to be using one of the Clean Color Medley Mattes. I don't know the shade name, but I'll figure it out and put it in the video. And this is the finished look. Of course, I'm going to probably take these braids out of my head and change my shirt because this is just the shirt that I do my makeup in. So, I like this. Lots of yellow. Oh, very yellow. I, however, do not like this lipstick color, but that's just because I don't like shades like this on me. It looks weird, but for the sake of the face chart and the sake of the video, I used it. I don't like it. I'm not a fan at all of colors like this on me. I might have to make it lighter a little bit because I feel like it's lighter in the face chart. I don't know. Look at it. Anyway, that's it for this video. I told you it's very easy but bright. Well, at least that yellow is kind of bright. I like this. Oh, and I took I have a crushed gold eyeshadow. It came that way. I bought it in Korea, and I just threw it on my face to add that. If you looked at the face chart, you saw that there was like sparkles. I don't have any gold stars or anything, so you know, you work with what you have, and that is what I did. That's it for this video. If you follow me on Instagram, you're going to see the updated pictures. I might insert them in this video, no idea. Anyway, that's it. That's all. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook and you want to send me a face chart to recreate, you can do that. All of my social media is in the description box below. And I will see you all next time. Bye.